In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to replace your engine's timing belt and water pump.
In this step, we're going to talk about the proper procedures for reinstalling our overflow jug and reattaching our AC lines and some other bracketry we had to disassemble in order to gain access to our water pump. The first thing we're going to slip in is our overflow jug. That's this component right here. And it slips right in on the fender well in this location. Alright, the overflow jug on this vehicle sits right here in this location. Now you're going to want to make sure not to get any of your vacuum lines or any other devices pinched behind it when you slip it into position. I'm just going to take one of the mounting bolts and screw it down. Alright, once you have the jug mounted, you can take and slip the line back onto the thermostat reservoir there. I'm going to take and put my hose clamp on it first and slip it right on. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and slip my line on. Alright, and there you go. Now what else we have to deal with is we have a bracket here which holds down our air conditioning line. I'm going to take and slide that over into position and line up the bolt hole. I'm going to take and drop the bolt in. Alright, we have one more thing to connect, and that's a ground wire that we disconnected during service. That's this little guy here, and it screws into the fender well right there. We'll take and slip him up in position. And we'll get them started and run down as far as I can by hand and tighten them up with my 1/4-inch ratchet. Alright, that is the proper service procedure for reinstalling your overflow jug and installing your ground wire and tightening down your air conditioning lines.